At the Tampa RV show, we're featuring all of the RVs that are lighter weight that you don't have to get a big truck to pull. Here's another one. This is made by Lance, the Lance model 1475. It weighs 4,500 pounds gross. You could tow this with a properly equipped half-ton or a full-size SUV. Let's go inside and take a look.
This is neat for a small one that you can pull. It's got queen size bed. It's got a lot of closet space. It's got more counter space actually than some of the big ones. I mean, there's counter space here. You got your sink. You got plug-ins for a coffee maker and everything, and then it's got a 3-burner gas stove, an oven. Has to be that small, and has very comfortable, I reckon, comfortable chairs, and this is a place where you can eat. And we have a full bath in here. Amazing. It's not a wet bath. You've got a sink, toilet, and shower. It's got lots of storage. Full of got the refrigerator.